de menye insemhunu ensumhunu ni bi ene omudi wo parliament house o na e mareho eno me monitor parliament house the omu debate or the 92 or the 93 or the hwan menshia south MP or the 92 or the 2 na yi the mere for pose hwan minority majority chief whip no so sorry Mr. Speaker or the 92 he say or that just say makase wow your problem pa ne say yemfa lawyers in build o mine mamen ken me can't this one you may be offended. But yemfa lawyers and build on my all that we are interested is lawyer or call law or yemfa build on my lawyers only frustrate the system because all that they are interested in a debate. But on my training any debate a process and say a project management. On my teacher, you find it to say project management to a process. And the process is just an event in the one sorry anopa naibia also there be on my teacher no from project management metro say there were 5 phases. Initiation otena se a wo dwene adwene kra ye problem ma my Ghana say ye tena se adwene keke a problem. What you say because penny no ti woni nyina no say o dwene o de ekosu so o dwene pa say ne there be a unnecessary debate of initiation na fe wadwempo no daye no o de ko bibi e fe ne planning wadwempo no daye so no o de ko book mu kotena se planning dwene yie na wo planning so ye were 3 things in project management: the time, emna wo de ye, the scope, ade ne kakraka, and the resources akadia wo de ye saade no. Then you do what we call execution or implementation. What plan here we know? I think now we be execute. Ode kubuku no mo ebe ye adwuma. Uguso ye na be monitoring and evaluation. And they no monitor said the okay and no na wo ye and son na bibi a friend closing. Enti building a nation a process. A whole project and a wo ye. Enti from your policy to programs to projects no a process a agene. But ya jia to me say lawyers nko anti parliament obi a person ye lawyer no kwa ka brofo na e kire say o ya ade o sori a kasa tintin so ye minority or majority kasa tintin because o person o kire say o te brofo chen obi a na de bia parliament or da hwan na Mr. Speaker then sa ye plan on sori no panka say ene de ye tena say majority minority ye gini say agree no ye be any day on time to sa anyoma no ye beto to baby agree can ye bend the unemployment ye discussing the saying obehu ani e twe ne ho manso e na mo na me ye sei e na mo ko sei e na mo de ne do so e na ye ne create here e na call 14.1 e na John Mahama ye incompetent unnecessary political debate all because don't na say omi ye lawyers ye mfa lawyers in chichire o mind to say Ghana ha lawyers omo here for the developed countries no. What you say? We need to have engineers. Mathematicians, educationists. One no mutime plan or sobiano pano or kase mudo. And you'll be an what's your man ko parliament. Unfortunately, your man kwaya to be a because you look at kind of meeting there. Why Ubusani say, how do you create a job? Most of the MPs come. Opa my MPC Jantuah muntrasi muso mu say o job ye ka job any dey ye ka decent work any dey a onti ase all of them are ye creating na enkofoni sha say youth in afforestation ye momu 300 and 400 ne awie decent job etimi ma nipa ho tono no kra no ye planning onya bi enti dey bi me ho parliament me tie parliament na me ra ho na dey no mu kikan. And it's how many now mode twe manso order Mr. Speaker order how some no timo de planning how ye betimi anya adwuma wo man ni ma anka mo mienu minority ni majority mutimi transfer planning majority ni minority mutimi transfer say agree na de bia ye sori anopa near the 2.4 billion kokra nioma no enti mo mienu minority ni majority no mutimi planning say yen cut it down into the Ibrahim Traore Burkina no sorry na pa near the $100 million akokran toes no da ben na mu ye side debate no da ben na mu mienu ma ye agric hu debate da ben na mu mienu mo ye galamsey hu debate da ben na mu mienu mo kan say ene bebia wiase adru no machine learning, internet of things, AI da ben na mo debate professionally at the expert aba name them there be. Order 92 says, Mr. Speaker. Order 93 says, Mr. Speaker, according to this, my learned colleague says that just say lawyer Seman yet to Parliament and a Parliament. So Parliament has been a place a ha. Parliament emunye dubium Parliament no manamu hu say Parliament emunye dubium Parliament na quiet to say obi emoye ha because utie the free Parliament every time unnecessary debate because we are full soldiers no ebekwa akotwe how Sam George etimi egu obi animu ase how kojo upon kroma etimi kogu obi animu ase enu na hia ba yenhye denya full soldiers a what na sia plan say and then there majority ni minority kabo mu say ye unemployment say ne be no say ne pese ye future say ne ye pese build your mind no but it's about me go school jaw it's about me a lawyer ni it's about just say listen we don't build a nation here in Ghana with lawyers because lawyers be mu no unnecessary debates and of course for Parliament and I think say I wasn't penny for bem now mu tune in debate no enya analytical Chenkrofo so mu sorry so mu kasa. Unse practical. Che ya papa MP for Boakwa South. Every time you obeka sebia it's about health. Every time you wo baku bi nso NDC mu Professor Ayenso baby sir. Okasa he talks reasonably. Unse asem na kan emuda ho kama. But the omo kan nyina yemfa nya debate because Ghana ni nempe de ye ebeboaye de opene say afem nyoma kintimi keka bi ena mahama yarigan sutimi keka bi ena we kire say we abon ena we kire say we say na ye ni ade on mine no a kire say it is draining yemfa ni ye ni epe ti yemfa ni ye bra ma yenko eyika